In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and manage items, products on Xero in 5 minutes. If you sell products or services, setting up items in Xero will save you time and keep your invoices and bills consistent. Items let you pre-fill descriptions, prices, and accounts so you don't retype the same information over and over. Let's walk through creating a new item from start to finish. First, head to the Xero login page and choose Login. Enter your email and password, then select Login again to access your organization. If you're asked for verification, complete that step to continue. Once you're in, you'll land on the Xero dashboard, which gives you a quick snapshot of your business. From the top navigation, open the business menu, then choose products and services. This is the items hub, where you can see everything you've set up, search existing entries, and create new ones. To add something new, click New Item. Start by entering a code. This is an internal identifier like SKU01 or Serve101. Keep it short, unique, and meaningful so you can quickly find it later. Next, give your item a clear name. Use a label your team and customers will immediately understand, like consulting hourly or blue t-shirt medium. Now fill in the key details. Add a concise description that will appear on invoices or bills. If you sell this item, enter a default sales price, select the correct sales account, and choose the right tax rate so Xero calculates totals for you automatically. If you also purchase this item from suppliers, enable the purchase option, add the cost price, pick the expense or cost of goods account, and set the appropriate tax rate for purchases. Make sure your account codes align with your chart of accounts to keep reporting accurate. If your subscription includes inventory tracking and you need stock control, you can enable tracking here and set the inventory asset, sales, and cost of sales accounts. If you don't track stock, leave it off, and Xero will still remember your prices and descriptions for faster invoicing. Double check spelling, prices, and tax settings to avoid errors on customer documents. When everything looks good, click Save. Your new item is now ready to use on invoices, quotes, credit notes, bills, and purchase orders. Later, you can return to the Products and Services screen to edit details, update prices, or archive items you no longer use, keeping your list tidy and your reporting clean. That's it. Your streamlined workflow starts with well-built items. Thanks for watching and happy bookkeeping.